Start with a slip knot and chain 40, or else you can start off with any multiple of 2. This measures around 13 inches. 1 double crochet into the second chain from the hook, this one. And 1 double crochet into each of the remaining stitches. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in the rest of the stitches. 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet. Make the last slip stitch, and in the last stitch make 1 single crochet. This is the last stitch. 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made, and this will be counted as 1 double crochet. Next on, 1 double crochet is already made. Now make 1 back loop double crochets into each and every stitch. Yarn over. This is the next stitch. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. We'll be working only into the back loops. This is the next stitch. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. Make 1 back loop double crochet. This is how it will look. Now continue with the stitches. 1 back loop double crochet into each and every stitch. This is how the pattern will form. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds, that is round number 3 and 4, until it's around 17 to 18 inches in size. Start with the repeat of round number 3. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, a slip stitch into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet, Make the turning chain. This is how the pattern will look. Now this is the front side and this is the back side. That is, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Keep the right one inside and fold it in half like this. And join the two ends with slip stitches. This is the first stitch and this is the stitch on the other side. Join these two ends with slip stitches. This is how the joining will look. Now leave a long tail and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. This will make the top of the head and we'll be sewing it together like this. And keep pulling it like this. It will bunch up over here. Once you're done, bunch it up like this and sew the whole bunch together so that there's no opening. Once you're done, weave off the yarn. Now turn your hat inside out. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.